baby. There's nothing I won't do to spend my life with you. I'll give my all to you.
Turn that shit down. You're getting on my fucking nerves.
Shaking my body too tight, my booty shaking from the left to right. My back shaking my body too tight, my booty shaking from the left to right. My back shaking my body too tight, my booty shaking.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DANNYJAE'TV, and I'm back with another freaking video. So y'all, as y'all can see, my entire life is a freaking mess. I got baskets, all type of stuff, just all type of stuff. Even down here I have like shoes and just things that I'm starting to pack. So it's a mess. But today is Saturday, September 29th, and this is exactly 1 week before I move. So I'm gonna bring y'all along. Today I am going to the church where my grandma attends because they're having a fish fry. So I'm gonna go and pick up me and baby a plate, and then I'm gonna go meet baby because we need to go and do like a walkthrough of the apartment and catch a vibe, you know. So I'm gonna go get the fish plates from Granny and all of that, y'all. I'm excited. So basically this is how I wear my hair most nights when I go to sleep. I put it in Bantu knots. I did 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and I'm just gonna untwist them. So y'all, the lighting is definitely gonna shift, but I'm about to take y'all downstairs because I have spent this entire morning pretty much going through all of my hair products and stuff. So yeah guys, I went through all my hair products and stuff, and I pretty much divvied up everything. Well, hair products, lotions, just anything that I had like in the garage, and I divvied it up into like 5 of these containers. So this is the one that my grandma wants, so me and her went through everything, and I let her give first dibs. So she pretty much just went through and picked everything that she wanted. So some cocoa butters from the Purity. She got her some Dollar Tree items, and I got a video on this. She got her the coconut shea shampoo. I gave her the whole kit, because there's that, and then here's the leave-in conditioner. She got a bottle of the Hair RX oil. She got some Eden Body Works gloves. She got some hand cream, some body lotion. She got some shampoo, conditioning bags. She got some Ozzy shampoo. She got some samples, y'all, that came in my Walmart $5 boxes. She got some combs. I mean, she got some stuff from RYOR, and it's like face creams and stuff. I gave her a flat iron. So yeah, my grandma picked everything she wanted. That's her box. And then I have a box over here that I want to give my baby cousin Sydney and her mom Sean. This is just the stuff they can go through, and then after they get everything they want out of here, Granny is gonna keep some stuff, and then she's also gonna give the rest to the church ladies or donate it. I'm also gonna call my mom and see what she wants out of here. And then I got this set to the side for my mom. I know she likes this Hair RX oil, which I do have videos on. I used to work with them often, but I haven't worked with them in a minute. But I had like 8 bottles of these, so I gave 2 to my mom. I'm also giving my mom these Hair 369 growth formula pills, never been used. And I'm also gonna give her my thermal hot head because I don't use it that much. So yeah, I know all my products need a good home. So yeah, I'm gonna give that to her. Most of these products have been sent to me by brands wanting to collaborate, and I do really like a lot of these products. I'm just one person though, and I can't use them all. So instead of giving them away on my channel, I may actually give some away on my channel, but I wanted to give them, you know, to my family and people in Atlanta first, because shipping hair products is freaking high. So here's some Charities Natural Treasures. I freaking love this stuff, y'all. So bomb, and I think some of it is like super new. I have the Candy Gumdrop Conditioner, some Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink gel, some Eco gel, some Taylor's Beauty, everything butter. I mean, I just have so much stuff. I have some Camille Rose curl maker, some more of the Eden Body Works Coconut Shea collection, I have some of the Eden Body Works Peppermint Tree Tea collection. I have some As I Am, smoothing gel, just a whole mixture of a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, that's the next box. And then I have my box over here, everything that I want to keep. So yeah, I just picked out the things that I really enjoy, like the hot head conditioning caps. And then I have just like anything else I found in the garage. Just some Curve Crush perfume. My brother got me one Christmas. And then I decided to keep the Jojoba Manoy Eden Body Works collection. Because if y'all didn't know, last year I attended an event with Eden Body Works and they literally gave me every single product they make. So yeah, I still have some stuff. That's why I decided to give it away. I also have the Design Essentials combo. So I have the mousse, the leave-in conditioner, the conditioner, and the shampoo. I kept one bottle of hair X oil for myself. I also have the Design Essential Honey and Shea Edge Tamer. Y'all, it's just too much stuff. I decided to keep the natural curl defining cream from Eden Body Works, and then I think this is the hair mask. And I also decided to keep the co-wash. The co-wash is bad. If y'all have never used this, you're asleep. And then also back here, I won these brushes from Diana. She has a popular YouTube channel. So I won these brushes as well as these body blenders, like for a giveaway. They're both Real Technique. So yeah, I'm gonna keep those and use those. And then have some packing tape in there and everything like that. So yeah, my Apple Watch box, you know. So yeah, y'all, I know I was just talking real fast, but if I really took the time to go through all those hair products, we would be here for ages. But yeah, so I have those 3 tubs actually divided, and I will be giving them away. After my mom and them pick what they want, I'll be donating the rest and giving it to the church. Sorry that the lighting is changing. Going back upstairs. So yeah, y'all, I'm super excited, but for now, I need to hurry up and get dressed because I want to be at the fish fry for 12 o'clock. And after I leave the fish fry, I'm getting on the road to meet baby at the new apartment. And yeah, so let's hurry up and get dressed. See y'all when I'm done. Hey guys, so I said I was gonna be back after I got dressed and everything. So I am currently headed to, sorry y'all gonna be shaking, y'all. I think I need a new tripod. But I'm currently headed to the church so that I can pick up these plates, these fish plates that Granny got going on. Like I told y'all, her church is doing a fish fry. So before I go meet baby and we go handle apartment business, I'm going to stop at a church and get some plates, some fried fish. So it was taking a long time for my car to get cooled off. But yeah, I just filmed a moving video, so that'll go up on Monday. This one will probably go up Friday because I have a video that I filmed during the week to go out Wednesday. So y'all, I'm just all over the place, but it is what it is. It's fun though, to do all of this. So we're about to go to the church. I know they got fried fish, coleslaw, potato salad, all type of stuff. So there go Granny Lexus. So yeah, let me go get these plates. I'm gonna take y'all in with me so y'all can see what's tea. And oh yeah, let me take this off. Fleeky. Get my little donation. All right, let's go. Let's get these fish plates. So yeah, I came up to support my grandma at her church. They're having a fish fry today. Say hey,
Hi.
Granny. So yeah,
We're having a fish fry at New Macedonia Baptist Church. Please come by and participate. Thank you very much.
and they have fish plates and they also have fish sandwiches. So yeah,
And you get a soda and you get cake
with your meal. So Hey guys, so it's been a couple hours since y'all last seen me. I think the last clip was me at the fish fry at Granny Church. So I met up with baby. Y'all did not get to see her because I did not pull out my camera. And I'm sorry y'all shaking, I'm on the freeway.
Watch out, vehicle stopped on shoulder ahead.
Thank you, Siri. So I met up with baby and we had to go to the apartment complex to like do some stuff or whatever. We did a walkthrough. I did not record. I'm gonna wait until we get our keys and everything, and then I'll do an empty apartment tour. So yeah, I'm really trying to think though, because we're gonna get our keys Saturday, October 6th, and we decided to just go inside Saturday, October 6th, and just like clean, and then Sunday we want to move in. Sunday we want to move in the 7th.
Watch out, vehicle stopped on road ahead.
But I'm trying to think, should I just borrow Granny Escalade, pack everything in my car, well, pack everything in her trunk? I don't know. So I'm thinking about that. I'm on my way back to Granny house, but I think I want to make a couple stops and look at some stuff like Big Lots and Target and stuff. I am a doer, so I've already started getting like little knickknacks for our apartment and stuff, like kitchen stuff and things like that, because that's just the type of person I am. I like to do things ahead of time. So I've already started doing that, and then I think I want to go ahead and get like tissue, toilet paper, bath towels, stuff like that, so that we don't have to worry about it that day. So yeah, y'all, I know I'm just trying to think and put everything together. Me and baby was just on the phone talking about how we was gonna move and everything, because we don't really want to do any of the moving. So we probably gonna hire like some of our friends to do the moving for us. So yeah, I'll be back when I stop shaking. So I'm in Dollar Tree, y'all. I'm looking for like some containers, maybe some like this, to just like put my makeup in, and like little things so that it'll be easier to pack and transport. This is the Dollar Tree by my job. It's pretty good. I mean, it ain't the best, but it's pretty good. They be having different stuff or whatever. I'm just trying to see if they have something. They always have these. I guess maybe I can do these. It comes with a top. I don't want to have a whole bunch of these though. I want something that I can really throw away, honestly. Look at all those bath bombs. So I want to keep looking. If I have to go like the bucket way, I will. However, I really did not want to. I'm definitely gonna get some wine glasses from here for my apartment, and since it'll just be me and baby, I'll probably end up getting us like a plate set, like 4 maybe, or 2 and 2 of each thing, maybe like 2 plates, 2 bowls, 2 mugs, 2 glasses, maybe like 4 wine glasses in case we have company or something. But yeah, I'm gonna be getting like wine glasses and like little stuff like that from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is your friend, y'all. Dollar Tree is your friend. So start cleaning stuff. Small goods. I'm not really seeing anything that I'm looking for. Y'all, I just don't want moving to be harder than it has to. So here go containers, but they're food containers. But I kind of like these right here. yeah, so maybe something like this, a couple of these. These are all food containers. Maybe I'll just get like some big Ziploc bags and just put like all my makeup in one. Hey guys, so it is still Saturday. I look a hot mess because I'm in my bed about to go to sleep, and then I realized I did not end out the vlog. So I just wanted to come back on and say thank y'all for watching. If y'all have any tips, like last minute moving tips, leave them down below, because by the time this video goes live, it'll be Friday. So yeah, leave moving tips down below because I'm gonna need them. Anyway guys, thank y'all for watching. See y'all in my next video. Reporting live from the internet, signing out. Bye guys. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm super excited because I finally will be able to, even though we had a second bedroom at our last apartment, we didn't really utilize it. And we kept saying we were going to set up an office / workspace.